groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vests on my shoes. I pop a pill and I lose. Wait, speed it up. Look at the diamonds, they eat it up.
Hey guys, my name is Liz. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a purple halo eye look, and yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so I finished my eyebrows. I concealed underneath and on the top. So the concealer I use for underneath is the Anastasia cream contour kit. I use the highlight shades right here to conceal the underneath of my eyebrows, and then I use for the top my foundation that I'm going to be using. So now that I'm done with that, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. This is a lighter shade. I use this to conceal my lids. Then next, I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna blend in concealer. Then I like to set my eyelids with the e.l.f. contour palette. It's just this highlight shade right here. I take it with the Real Techniques 300 brush, and I just put this all on my eyelids. Set it. Okay, so now I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow. Okay, so the eyeshadow I'm using is the ColourPop. The brush I'm using is this BH Cosmetics blending brush. So I'm taking that and I start it in the crease. I press it onto my lid to really get the color on there, and then I start blending it in. I also put it on the lid. I just put it everywhere. Then I take my e.l.f. blending brush to blend the outer part of my shadow so it doesn't have any harsh lines. I'm gonna do the same thing I did for this eye on this eye. So now I'm gonna get this little palette and I'm taking the brush that came with it, and I'm gonna take this purple shade right here, and I'm taking that and putting it on the top to blend out the shadow and make it a little more soft. And then I'm going to take this brush right here, and I'm taking, this is the Eco Tools, it's like a double-sided brush, and I'm just taking the fluffy side right here, and I'm going to be blending the top out. I'm taking my concealer brush. This is the Morphe M421 brush. And I'm taking that with some of the LA Girl Pro Concealer, which I'm putting on my hand. I'm taking that and I'm putting it to make the halo eye effect. Okay. I'm putting it right here. So I'm taking the NYX Ultimate Multi-Finish eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the e.l.f. concealer brush, or looks like this, and I'm taking that with this eyeshadow right there, and I'm patting that on the part where I put the concealer. But that's pretty much the eyes. Now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm going to prime my face. So the primers I use two. First I take the Bare Minerals Prep Step. It has SPF 50, and I apply this all over my face. Okay, so now that that's all blended into my skin down to my neck, I am priming my face with the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. This is one of my favorite primers. So now that I'm primed, I am going to apply my foundation. This is a Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage foundation. It's in the shade Nude, and I'm gonna take a few pumps, 2 pumps from the bottle. After I dot that, I'm taking the NYX Born to Glow Illuminating Primer, and I mix that in with the foundation so it is a little glowy. Yeah, I'm just blending that in with my sponge. Make sure to blend it down your neck. I'm taking my the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium, and I'm putting this under my eyes. I'm just gonna blend that all into my face. I am going to set my foundation and concealer. So I'm taking the e.l.f. powder here, like I did it for my eyelids, and I'm gonna set the underneath of my eyes. And I'm just gonna powder my face with it. I'm gonna take my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I need to get a new one because I already hit pan. So now I'm going to take blush. I take the Milani Romantic Rose powder blush. Looks like that. And I take it with my e.l.f. blush brush. And I smile and put it right on the apples and blend it out. Then I also blend it with the brush that I'm going to put some of the eyeshadow on my lower lashes because I feel like that completes the eye look. So I'm taking the purple from the e.l.f. palette that I use, and I'm gonna put it right on the lash line. And I'm taking this e.l.f. flat eyeliner brush. After that's all finished, I grabbed my glow kit from Anastasia, and I'm taking tourmaline, which is this like purple shade right here. Looks like that. Okay, so now that my eyelashes are on and I put mascara on my lower lashes, the eyes are complete. So all that's missing from my face is highlight, which I'm taking the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Pearlized highlighter in Flexitarian. It looks like this. So I'm putting that on the tip of my nose with my finger. And then I'm taking the Morphe 510 brush. There. And I'm taking that and putting some also on the tip of my nose and on my bridge of my nose. So I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I'm taking the shade Summer, and it's right here. Take that and I put that on my cheekbones. I'm taking the NYX Lingerie Push-Up Lipstick. It's in the shade Push-Up, by the way. And I'm putting this on my lips. I'm going to put some lip gloss on the top of it. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Slicks Lip Gloss. And it's just a clear lip gloss. Looks like that, whatever you have. So this is the finished makeup. So it pretty much looks like this. I'm gonna put some pictures so you guys can see it up close and everything. That's that's pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah, see you guys in my next video.